Hi, my name is Sonny D'Agostino. I've been coming to see Dr. Mendelsohn since the office is opened. Um, in all my pictures before seeing him, I would never smile, never show my teeth. Just every single picture, never showed my teeth at all. Now you go through it, every picture is a bright white. You just see the bright white teeth smiling. I'd also like to thank his staff for always being friendly and helpful, and also their help for military. I serve in the military, and he's always donating or food drive or things along that lines. But can't say enough about my smile now and how much more that people recognized it. I went to my high school reunion earlier this summer, and one of my friends from school I hadn't seen in years is he's like, you look different, but you look better. And I knew it was because of my teeth are now white and clean, and can't thank him enough.